Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we're featuring Portia Simpson Miller. Portia Simpson Miller is a pioneering Jamaican politician who shattered glass ceilings and left an indelible mark on the country's history. As Jamaica's first female Prime Minister, she embodied resilience, determination, and a steadfast commitment to social justice. Let's look at her early life and education. Born on December 12, 1945 in Woodhall, St. Catherine, Jamaica, Portia Simpson Miller grew up in a humble household. She attended St. Martin's Primary School and later Tarrant High School. Her academic pursuits continued at the Union Institute in Miami, Florida, where she earned a bachelor's degree in business administration. Let's look at how she rose to prominence. Simpson Miller's entry into politics was marked by her joining the People's National Party in 1974. Her leadership qualities and grassroots appeal quickly propelled her to prominence. In 1974, she was elected Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Andrew, a seat she held until 2017. Breaking barriers. Simpson Miller's trailblazing journey was punctuated by several milestones. First female Prime Minister of Jamaica, 2006 to 2007, 2012 to 2016. First female leader of the opposition, 2006 to 2007. Welfare and Minister of Labour and Sport, 1989 to 1993. Minister of Tourism and Sports, 1993 to 1995. Minister of Local Government, Community Development and Sport, 1995 to 2006. Let's look at some of the policy initiatives and achievements. During her tenure, Simpson Miller implemented policies aimed at improving education, healthcare, and social welfare. Free tuition for public universities and community colleges, expansion of early childhood education, National Health Insurance Scheme, Program of Advancement through Health and Education Path, increased minimum wage and improved working conditions, women's empowerment and environmental advocacy. Simpson Miller championed women's rights and empowerment. Established Women's Center Foundation, promoted gender equality and addressed gender-based violence, appointed women to key positions in government and state agencies. She also prioritized environmental protection, launched initiatives for climate change mitigation and sustainable development, expanded protected areas for conservation and biodiversity. Simpson Miller's contributions have been recognized internationally. Order of Jamaica, 2006. Honorary Doctorate from University of the West Indies and York University. Caribbean Hall of Fame for Excellence. Portia Simpson Miller's remarkable journey serves as a testament to her unwavering dedication to Jamaica's development and social justice. Her pioneering spirit has inspired generations of Jamaicans, particularly women, to pursue careers in politics and public service. As a champion of the people, her legacy continues to shape Jamaica's future.